I should be cool in my cocoon, but instead I'm a literal fish out of water.
Don't worry, we'll be there soon.
I hope you're right. I don't like how close that hawk is getting. And what's that smell?
It's me. I'm roasting hot fish.
No, I know that smell.
It's dung! Giraffe dung by the looks of it.
Oh, great. Poop.
It is great. We can use it as a water source.
You don't mean...
Yup. Some desert insects get all the water they need from it.
No way. Nothing doing. I'm a lungfish, not a dungfish.
I have to agree here, Kit.
Leonard, you're getting really dried out. You need all the water you can get. Maybe we can squeeze the water out.
Ugh. I can't look. Ooh, hey, that dung water's not so bad.
Huh? That wasn't from the dung.
I think the drop of water came from that bird.
From a bird?
Of course. That's a sand grouse. Sand grouse use their feathers to soak up water and carry it back to their nests.
Ah, so that means there must be water close by. He's heading back in that direction, which means the oasis must be that way too. We just have to follow that sand grouse.
Good thinking, Sam. Sorry, Leonard. No dung water for you today.
Saved by the birds, eh?
Uh-huh. Need I remind you that not all the birds up there are so friendly? We gotta pick up the pace.
Look! The oasis! And it's no mirage this time.
We're almost there, Leonard. Leonard?
Come on, just a little bit further.
Kit, I don't think Leonard can make it much further. He needs some water to cool off now.
The sun is so hot. The sand is so hot. Even the air is so hot.
The air! Why didn't I think of that sooner? The air around us has invisible water in it. Some desert beetles can pull that water right out of the air. And with a simple machine, we can too.
Great, but do we have a machine like that?
No, but I think I can make one.
Hope you can build it on the go. Here comes the hawk.
Run! Just try to keep him busy while I build this thing.
StoryBots, go! Circle him. Now zigzag and spin. I'm not sure how long they can keep this up. That hawk looks hungry.
I hope he at least seasons me properly. Nothing's worse than bland lungfish.
And done! It just needs a moment to pull some water from the air.
Kids, hurry!
You can't hurry science, Sam. Got it! Open up, Leonard.
Ha-ha! Watering hole, here I come! Missed me! Too slow! Missed me again!
Leonard, here he comes!
Get into the water!
Not today, you oversized pigeon!
Leonard, you made it!
It ain't a mud cocoon, but it'll do. Thanks, you two.
Happy to help.
Hey, is that a lungfish?
Would you look at that?
Cool.
Nice hat. Finally, some appreciation. I could get used to this.
Another creature case!
Oh, right. Creature case closed. It's officially way too hot for a snow leopard.
Well, here's my favorite way to cool off. Cannonball!
Kit! Actually, that feels pretty nice. Woohoo!